My name's Sandy Hale, okay, and I'm based at I'm not based at Wickford Library now. I used to be based at Wickford, but now I travel all around the county.
What's your favourite book?
My favourite book would have to be in the children's area, which is called Snip Snap, and it's all about a crocodile, which is really excellent to read aloud when we have to read aloud to classes and things. It's a really good book to use.
How many books do you read
In a month for the books, it's approximately, from a couple of months ago, I took a figure of over 14,000 in 1 month.
What days do you work?
I work every day, and sometimes I have to work Saturdays and Sundays as well. So sometimes, for myself, not my friends over there, but for myself, I sometimes have to work 7 days. I love my job. I'm very lucky in this role as well, what I'm doing now, because I can come round to schools, because as I say, I'm on the children's team. So if it's a very popular book, like my favourite book, and it goes out lots and lots and lots of times, if it's looking a little bit worn, we replace the books then, okay? Or if we have some babies that borrow some books, sometimes, you know, we need to replace the board books. You know, the hard copy books? Yeah? So it does vary, but when it's had lots and lots of what we call issues, when it's gone home lots and lots of times, we'll replace it. Okay? Altogether, I think there's approximately about 10 sections. So we have the non-fiction, and then within the fiction side, we have lots of different genres. So with modern and saga, but altogether it's about 10.
Which is the biggest section?
That's the non-fiction section. Okay, so in the adult side of the library, our non-fiction section goes right the way down this side of the library, so a lot of books.
Yeah.
I honestly couldn't tell you, I have to say, because although with the Dewey System number, it goes from 001 up until the 900s, but within a number of, say, 637, you could have another at least 100 books within that, because we have the decimal points put in as well. So I honestly couldn't tell you off the top of my head how many there would be.
Come to the library then when you
Okay, yes is the answer to that, because now what we're trying to do, Wickford Library hold lots of events, and we're all the while trying to increase our membership, and what would attract our customers to come in and see us. So the kind of things that you would actually like, if we're holding an event, what kind of events would you like? We're actually having it at Easter where we're going to meet the animals, so we've got lots of baby animals coming in and you can learn all about them. So that's something a bit different. And for our customers who are working and things like that, we have book groups and things like that. So we're working all the time to increase our numbers. We have book groups for our adult members, okay, but we're trying to arrange for a teen one and obviously one for yourselves, okay, but I think altogether Wickford Library has about 10 reading groups where they sometimes come into the library to read their book and then discuss it, or they sometimes meet at home. And then obviously we have class visits, which hopefully some of you would have actually come along to with your school. You're welcome.